So behind me we have this brand new BMW M4 Competition, and they came in for full front paint protection film. I'm gonna show you each step. How do I do the PPF on the front? What edges do I wrap? And I'm gonna make it as always, so the PPF is not gonna be visible at all. First step, I'm gonna print some kits. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm gonna plot them, and then I'm gonna start installing. All right, so I pulled it up the kits already. As you can see, here is the bumper, all of those carbon fiber pieces, fenders, and I'm gonna wrap all of those edges around. I'm just gonna show you on time lapse because this takes a long time to make sure everything is good before I print. So before we start putting paint protection film, we gotta make sure there is no big scratches on the paint. So we're gonna start with the correction, and after that we're gonna put the PPF. Just got it done with the paint correction, took off all of those scratches, what it was on top, and also I filled that up some rock chips. It was some small one. I cleaned up the edges too, and now I'm gonna do the hood first on the PPF. This is gonna be a bulk install because it requires stretch on the four corners to make sure to get rid of those fingers. Just finished it with the hood, and also I trimmed at the edges. Now I'm just waiting for them to get dry, and then I'm gonna wrap them all around. As you can see, there's like almost half an inch. So I'm gonna go all those edges wrapped, and I'm gonna start with fenders next. All right, so we are about to do the fenders now, but I took those fender vents off because usually there is a lot of dirt underneath, as you can see. So I have to clean that up and also wrap all around those edges so the PPF is not going to be visible. Also, I have to take these clips off so I can lift up this plastic piece, and I have to clean it up and tuck it in under too. I'm just gonna wrap the edges. As you can see, there's a wrap all around the fender, under too, and the side there.